Hey, what's up, DLRs, Mike Boers, Willow Mike Boers channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Chrysler Pacificas, and in the event that your instrument cluster, such as your instruments, your temperature, your compass, is acting sporadically, we are going to do a soft reset in this video. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, outside and in front of us is our 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. Let's hop inside the vehicle and perform the Uconnect reset procedure. Inside the vehicle now, and we are going to perform what is called a soft reset. We are not going to do a hard factory reset. We are going to again perform a soft reset. We are going to start the engine. And as you can see, mileage-wise, 89,676 miles. So if your compass goes awry or is no longer calibrated at this mileage range, you're not the only ones. And now that the engine is started, let me block the sun. And just double checking that the instrument cluster is not triggering any or illuminating any faults, such as check engine light or brake or auto start, and all looks good. And that shows east. And DIYers, we are literally facing west, not east. So that is a problem. It needs to be reset and needs to be recalibrated. And by performing a soft reset on the Uconnect system, it should reset and recalibrate the onboard compass and sensors. Coming back here, and I'm going to turn the radio on and verify everything is off. And from here, I'm going to push and hold both the volume and tuner knobs, the center portion, for 10 to 20 seconds until that screen turns off and the reset procedure begins. So again, pushing and holding both at the same time. And there's the screen off. I'm still pushing and holding. Again, 10 to 20 seconds. And letting go of each of those. And I hear something in the background of the instrument cluster or center console here. And we are just going to patiently wait. And there we go. Awesome. All right, DIYers, as you just saw, that is an extremely fast and easy reset procedure for your Uconnect system. And I do want to point out, not only is this going to reset your compass and the additional items on your instrument cluster, such as your clock and outside temperature, it is also going to reset your onboard TV system or telematics system. However, if you are mainly doing this reset procedure because of your compass not being properly calibrated, or in other words, not showing the correct heading or magnetic reference to the proper direction when you are driving, and this reset procedure does not work, you are going to have to manually recalibrate your onboard compass and computer system, which is a little more involved. However, scrolling above right now, as well as down below in the comments and description, video link number 1 will take you directly to our video that shows that entire process and all of the steps required. Don't stress out about it, nor don't worry about it. It is a very friendly process. And within a few minutes, your compass should return to its normal operation. Thanks again for watching.